Make fitness and wellness a priority for the whole family this fall with these tips and must-haves from Fit Mom, lifestyle and wellness expert Jamie Hess.
Fall naturally feels like a fresh start and a great time to get out and begin a new wellness regimen. 1 in 7 Americans now say they use CBD for wellness. And this new Caliper CBD, one of the brands I've partnered with today, is the first to provide a consistently precise dose of CBD in a 20 milligram single-serve packet of flavorless, sugar-free, THC-free powder that quickly dissolves into any food or beverage. If you're reluctant to try CBD, it's non-psychoactive, so you can have that peace of mind. Order at caliper.life and get 15% off with the code Jamie15. And I can't tell you how often I hear that we have no time, but we do. You can go from your workout right into your day and stay fresh. For 2 times better sweat protection versus the protection of an ordinary antiperspirant, use the #1 selling Secret Clinical Strength Antiperspirant. It goes on dry and stays dry. For more, go to secret.com and follow me on Instagram at NYCFitFam.
Bye, Jamie.